Assalamualaikum. How are you guys? I hope you guys are doing great. Well, the today topic for our video is the Windows subsystem for Linux. How you can enable Windows subsystem for Linux in Windows. Well, actually I don't have a Windows machine, so I asked my friend. Actually he asked me to install it for him. So I thought it would be great if I recorded the session. He is on the AnyDesk with me, so let's get started. Here is his machine, so let's start. First of all, go to settings, go to app settings, and then here go to related programs and features. Turn Windows feature on or off. Click it, hit yes. Now here you will see Windows subsystem for Linux. This one is, I have enabled it for him, and just enable it and click OK. It will ask you to reboot your computer. Just reboot your computer and come back. Once you have rebooted the computer, just go to the app store. Here is the Microsoft Store. Open it. I am going to install Debian, so let's hit install. Yeah, it is going to be downloaded. It might take some time. You can install Ubuntu or something like that, but I like the vanilla Debian, so I am going to use Debian. You can see there is Fedora also. Open source. It will take some time because my friend has a slow connection, so we will resume the video once it has been downloaded. So you can see the system has been installed. Just launch it. Installing. This may take a few minutes. Let it install. Create a username. It doesn't need to match your Windows username. Just create a username. I am creating AK. Just give it some password. Yeah, that's it. You can see my new user has been created, and you can see I am in the shell. So this way you can use Linux in Windows. I hope you people have enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you can get the latest video in real time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.